Guys, today we talk about how can you select autoplay videos on your LinkedIn Learning app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go down, click here on my Learning down here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just click on your name here. When you click here on your name, it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then you go down here, you keep going down. So then you click here on account settings. When you click on account settings, it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do now, just switch into open video and you click here on account preferences. So then come to this list here, then you click here on here you click here on autoplay videos here, you just click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list, and here can you select here autoplay videos on your LinkedIn Learning app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.